Hi guys, how are you? Today in this video I am gonna tell you how can you add a video to your text in Capcut. So let's get started. First of all, open Capcut. After that, open a new project. Now here tap on stock videos. Here select black video for your background and then add button. Now here tap on text. Now add text. Now type any text. I am typing my channel name. Increase its size a little bit. Then give it any style you like. After that, export it. I mean save it in your gallery. Export button. Now it is exporting to my gallery. It has been successfully exported. Done. Now open a new project again. Here select a video you want to make your background. So I am selecting this one. I have downloaded it from pixabay.com. You can download it also. Now tap on overlay, add overlay, select the video we have exported. Now add it, increase its size. Now tap on splice button and here select darken. Now the video has been added to our text. Now let's play it. So you see that the video has been successfully added to our text. So guys, I hope you will like this video. If you like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video.